वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल नीलू's क्लासरूम। आओ कुछ नया सीखें। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम पढ़ेंगे मेजर सिटीज़ नियर सीज। तो ये जो सिटीज़ हैं वो कहाँ हैं? इंडिया में। व्हाट इज़ कॉन्टिनेंट्स? अ वेरी लार्ज पीस ऑफ लैंड इज़ कॉल्ड अ कॉन्टिनेंट। एन ओशियन इज़ अ ह्यूज बॉडी ऑफ वाटर। सो जो हमारा अर्थ है उसमें चारों तरफ सिर्फ वाटर ही वाटर है, और उसमें जो बीच में लैंड के पीस हैं वो क्या है? उन्हें कॉन्टिनेंट्स कहते हैं। देयर आर 7 कॉन्टिनेंट्स: नॉर्थ अमेरिका, साउथ अमेरिका, अंटार्कटिका, यूरोप, एशिया, अफ्रीका एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया, एंड 5 ओशियंस। जो लार्ज वाटर बॉडीज़ होती हैं जैसे सी होती हैं, सी से भी बड़ा होता है क्या? ओशियन। तो 5 ओशियंस हैं: अंटार्कटिका, आर्टिक, अटलांटिक, इंडियन एंड पैसिफिक। इंडिया इज सिचुएटेड इन द एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट, और इंडिया जो है एशिया कॉन्टिनेंट में है, और ओशियन उसके पास है इंडियन और 2 सीज, बे ऑफ बंगाल एंड अरेबियन सी। तो oceans and seas surrounding India and the coastal state. So this is the political map of India. India is surrounded on 3 sides by water. States that are located close to the sea are called coastal states. तो कौन कौन से coastal states हैं इंडिया के? Like गुजरात, महाराष्ट्र, कर्नाटका, गोवा, केरला, तमिलनाडु, आंध्र प्रदेश, उड़ीसा, वेस्ट ऑफ बंगाल। तो ये जो स्टेट हैं वो लोकेटेड हैं सी के किनारे, और जब ये सी जो है उनके किनारे जो स्टेट्स हैं वो है, तो यहाँ पर पोर्ट्स भी होंगे, क्योंकि वाटर जो है वो मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट है। यहाँ पे शिप्स वगैरह चलती हैं, ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है गुड्स लेके जाने के लिए। तो अ पोर्ट इज अ सिटी नियर द सी फ्रॉम वेयर शिप्स कैरी गुड्स एंड पैसेंजर्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर। द फेमस पोर्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया आर एज फॉलोज। तो सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे अबाउट मुंबई। मुंबई इज नेम्ड आफ्टर अ लोकल गॉडेसेस Mumba Devi. Mumbai was earlier called Bombay. मुंबई, अब इसके लोकेशन एंड क्लाइमेट के बारे में जानते हैं। मुंबई इज सिचुएटेड ऑन द वेस्ट कोस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. इट इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. इट टचेज द अरेबियन सी. It is the busiest port of India. As Mumbai is situated near the sea, it is neither too cold nor too hot. It's rain here heavenly during the monsoon. And this is the gateway of India. The gateway of India is the main landmark of Mumbai. It was built to celebrate the visit of British King George V to India in 1911. It has seen many historic events. Industries. Mumbai is famous for many industries like textile, medicine, plastic, etc. Its film industry, also known as Bollywood, produces hundreds of films every year. People and culture. Marathas are the blend of warrior and agrarian classes who have their roots in Maharashtra. Lavani is a very famous dance form. People celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi by distributing laddus. Milk is offered to the idol of Lord Ganesha, which is then immersed in water. Famous in Mumbai. Mumbai has many tourist spots like Juhu Beach, Chowpatty and Gateway of India. Local trains are an efficient mean of transportation. Bhelpuri, Pav Bhaji, Batata Vada, etc. are the some famous delicious snacks. Shrikhand made from strained yogurt is also a very popular sweet dish. And our second important city is Kolkata. Kolkata is the largest city in India in the state of West Bengal. Earlier Kolkata was only a small village called Calicut. Kali is the name of goddess. It was surrounded by jungles and swamps. Kolkata was earlier known by its anglicized name Calcutta. Location and climate. Kolkata is a metropolitan city and the capital of West Bengal. It is located on the bank of the Hooghly River, close to the sea, Bay of Bengal. Its climate is influenced by the sea. It is hot and humid in the summer and pleasant during winters. Famous in Kolkata, Howrah Bridge on Hooghly River. So, it connects Kolkata with the town of Howrah. It is the busiest bridge in the world. It is one of the finest cantilever bridge in the world. Trams. Trams are the most popular means of transportation in Kolkata. These are buses which run on rail tracks built on roads. And Bengalis love sweets like Rasgulla and many other sweets. Metro. Kolkata was the first city in India to get the underground railway system called the Metro. People and festival. Durga Puja is the most important festival of Kolkata. It is celebrated with lots of devotional singing, dancing and worshipping goddesses Durga. Bengali is the language spoken by the people. And let's see some amazing fact about Kolkata. The National Library in Kolkata is the largest library in India. The Botanical Garden in Kolkata are the oldest in India. It has a banyan tree which is 200 years old and it is largest in the world. Famous people of West Bengal. Rabindranath Tagore. He was the great poet and author also known as Gurudev. He wrote the national anthem of India, Jana Gana Man. Mother Teresa, she worked for the poor and the homeless in Kolkata. She was a sister and after that she became mother. Mother Teresa. She is a nun. And our third city is Chennai. Chennai, the capital of Tamil Nadu, was once a small fishing village. The port in this region was used by South Indian rulers to trade in cloth and spices. Chennai was earlier known as Madras. Location and climate. It is situated near the southern tip of India. It is very big metropolitan city and a port. Tamil Nadu is a coastal state, so Chennai has a humid climate. Industries. In Perampur, a suburb in Chennai, there is a large factory for making railway coaches. Chennai is also famous for its cotton textile mills, Kanjivaram silk sarees, oil refinery and leather goods. Famous in Chennai, sandy beaches like Marina Beach and Golden Beach, Snake Park in Gindi, temples which have fine carving and tall gopurams. People and cultures of Tamil Nadu. Chennai has a rich tradition. Bharatnatyam and Carnatic music are the two important and very old forms of dance in classical music that are known world over. Tamil is the main spoken language. The main harvest festival of Pongal is celebrated in the month of January. South Indian dishes like dosa, idli, vada, uttapam and upma are the famous all over the world. People draw beautiful kolam patterns similar to rangoli using rice flour as an offering to goddess Lakshmi, who has the power to attract prosperity. And coconut, a sacred fruit of India, also seen there because there is a beach. Kochi. Kochi, formerly known as Cochin, is a city in the Indian state of Kerala. The city is one of the principal seaports of the country and is located in the district of Ernakulam. Location and climate. It is situated on the southwest coast of India. It is called the economic capital of Kerala. The Mangalavanam bird sanctuary is located in the central part of the city. Kochi features a tropical monsoon climate with moderate to high levels of humidity. The supply of potable water is sourced from the Periyar River. Famous in Kochi. The largest airport of Kerala, the Cochin International Airport, handles both domestic and international flights. The Jawaharlal Nehru International Stadium in Kochi is one of the largest stadiums in India. People and culture. Kochi has a diverse multicultural and secular community consisting of Hindus, Christians, Muslims, Jain, Sikhs and Buddhists among other communities, all living in peaceful coexistence. Kochi mainly celebrates traditional Kerala festivals like Onam and Vishu along with other religious festivals. A merrymaking festival called the Cochin Carnival is celebrated at Fort Kochi during the last 10 days of December. Malayalam is the main spoken language. Our last city is an important city is Visakhapatnam. Visakhapatnam, also known as Vizag, is a coastal port city, often called the jewel of the east coast, situated in the Indian state of Andhra Pradesh. It is second largest city of Andhra Pradesh. It is predominantly a Telugu speaking city. It has a tropical climate with little variation in temperature throughout the year. Visakhapatnam has a range of tourist attractions including beaches, cliffs, parks on the hill top facing the sea, long drives along the beautiful beach road, a zoological park and a wildlife sanctuary, a submarine museum, hill station, limestone caves, mountain ranges and colorful valleys. Famous in Visakhapatnam, Kailashgiri Park, the beach road, Rishikonda Beach, Rose Hill, Indira Gandhi Zoological Park.